Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in the studio and I'm going to show you very simple setups using only one or two lights. I will also introduce you to some studio equipment and explain some of the photography terminology which will help you during your shoots. I'm going to use only white background to show you the differences between the setups. So let's get it started. The first setup is very easy. All you need is two softboxes placed on each side and also two white polyboards. This lighting will give you very simple, very basic and clean look without no shadows. Everything is ready and we're gonna start shooting now. Settings for this photo shoot is ISO 200, f-stop 11 and shutter speed 160. I'm using Elechrome lights here and the power is 4. You can change it and adjust it depending on how the pictures are looking. On every studio shoot I use Capture One because it's so easy to view the pictures as well as control what's happening on the set. After shooting you always have to check the focus point and usually you do it on the eye. So let's check if my pictures are good. Yes, the eye is very sharp and the catch light is beautiful. In the second setup, I'm gonna introduce some shadows. All we have to do now is remove one light, probably this side, and change the polyboard for black. This is the result of the setup which I just showed you. All the settings were the same. I just removed one light and put the black polyboard. That's why we have this beautiful shadow here. The last setup which I want to show you today is using a beauty dish. It's gonna give you pretty much the same results as when using two soft boxes on the side, but we're gonna get a soft shadow as well as the catch light will be different. This is the result of working with a beauty dish. We have a soft shadow on the back and the catch light is different. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please leave me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because in the next video I'm going to show you how to edit the pictures I took today. Bye bye!